If your search results feel like a dusty library, you're in luck. Perplexity is here to save the day. So, you're tired of digging through Google's ancient archives, huh? Meet Perplexity, the new kid on the block, turning search into a superpower. Imagine finding pinpoint answers faster than your morning coffee brews. Business owners, this means less time searching, more time growing. Perplexity is like a laser for accurate info, slicing through the fluff. Planning a project? Perplexity helps you map out ideas with crystal clear precision. Content creators? It's your brainstorming buddy, delivering the freshest, most relevant data right when you need it. Why settle for outdated results? With Perplexity, you're always a step ahead, making smarter decisions quicker. It's like having a genius assistant who never sleeps. So, ditch the dinosaur and embrace the future of search. Perplexity isn't just a tool, it's your new secret weapon for success. Ready to level up your game? Give Perplexity a try today and watch your business soar.